Have you ever stood in your kitchen, a bottle of coconut oil in one hand, olive oil in the other, and thought to yourself, which one should I use? Both are touted as superfoods and hailed as kitchen essentials, but is one better than the other? Today on Brilliance, we dive deep into the battle of the oils. Stick with us until the end for a surprising twist that may change the way you cook forever. Why it matters. First off, why should you even care? Well, the oils you choose can have a massive impact on your health, influencing everything from cholesterol levels to how your body responds to inflammation. Selecting the right oil can make a world of difference. Let's kick off with the fundamentals. Coconut oil. Extracted from the meat of coconuts, it's a tropical oil that's solid at room temperature. It's rich in saturated fats, which has often been a topic of debate among health enthusiasts. Olive oil. Made by pressing fresh olives, it's mainly composed of unsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid. It's been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries. When it comes to nutrition, both oils have their strengths. Coconut oil. It's packed with medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs, which can be quickly turned into energy by our body. Plus, it contains lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial properties. Olive oil. Rich in antioxidants, it's linked to heart health and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. The presence of vitamins E and K make it an excellent choice for overall well-being. Heat tolerance. Here's where things get heated. The point at which an oil starts to smoke and break down is known as its smoke point. Coconut oil. It has a moderate smoke point, making it good for medium heat cooking. Olive oil. There's a range here. Extra virgin. Olive oil has a lower smoke point, while refined versions can handle higher heat. So choose wisely based on your culinary needs. Food isn't just about nutrition, it's an experience. Coconut oil. It imparts a slight tropical flavor, which can either enhance or disrupt a dish, depending on what you're making. Olive oil. It has a fruity, sometimes peppery flavor. The taste can range from subtle to pronounced, depending on the variety. All right, let's talk about the investment for your health and taste buds, coconut oil. Its price varies, but generally it's quite affordable and offers good value for money. Olive oil. The price can range dramatically. While you can get cheaper variants if you're after the high-quality extra virgin variety, be prepared to spend a bit more. Now, let's think beyond our kitchen. Coconut oil. Its production can sometimes lead to deforestation and habitat destruction, but sustainably sourced versions are available. Olive oil. Traditional olive farming is generally environmentally friendly. However, intensive farming practices can lead to soil degradation and reduced biodiversity. Remember we mentioned a surprising twist? Well, here it is. Both oils have their own unique benefits, but the healthiest option? It's actually a blend. Combining the two can give you a mix of MCTs, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. So next time you're in a dilemma, why not mix things up? So which oil wins? It's not a straightforward answer. Both coconut and olive oil have their own merits. The key is to understand your cooking needs, health priorities, and personal preferences. And hey, don't forget to experiment with blending the two for a culinary and health boost. Thanks for joining us today on this oily journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more illuminating insights. Until next time, stay brilliant.